Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 metal detector. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Metal Detector. The MD5090 High Sensitivity Metal Detector is a reliable and versatile tool for treasure hunters and hobbyists. It offers excellent sensitivity and depth detection, making it easy to find coins, jewelry, and even gold underground or underwater. The adjustable length and lightweight design provide comfort during long searches. Its waterproof search coil works well in shallow water, adding versatility. Overall, it's a great metal detector for both beginners and experienced users, offering strong performance and good value for money. Number 2. Metal Detector. The GTX 5030H Underground Metal Detector is a great choice for beginners and hobbyists. It offers excellent sensitivity for detecting coins, gold, and other metals underground. The adjustable stem and clear LCD display make it comfortable and easy to use for long treasure hunts. It provides accurate detection and quick response, making outdoor exploration fun and rewarding. Lightweight yet durable, this detector delivers great value for its price. Perfect for treasure hunters looking for reliable performance and simplicity. Number 3. Metal Detector. The MD4030 High Accuracy Professional Underground Metal Detector is an excellent tool for treasure hunters and hobbyists. It offers precise detection of metals like gold, silver, and coins with strong sensitivity and easy operation. The adjustable stem and comfortable grip make it suitable for long use in different terrains. Its lightweight design and clear audio alerts enhance the user experience. Overall, the MD4030 is a reliable, affordable, and efficient detector for anyone serious about metal detecting adventures. Number 4. Metal Detector. The 2025 new Underground Metal Detector is an excellent tool for treasure hunters and hobbyists. Its advanced LCD display provides clear target ID readings, making metal identification easy and accurate. The waterproof design allows for use in various terrains, including shallow water. With impressive depth detection and a reliable pinpointing feature, it helps locate treasures precisely. The adjustable settings and ergonomic design ensure comfort during long searches. Overall, it's a powerful and user-friendly detector for serious treasure enthusiasts. Number 5. Metal Detector. The TX850 Metal Detector is a powerful and reliable tool for serious treasure hunters. With an impressive depth detection of up to 2.5 meters and an 11-inch search coil, it accurately locates gold, coins, and other metals, even in challenging terrains. The LCD display is clear and easy to read, while the ergonomic design ensures comfortable use during long searches. Its high sensitivity and precise pinpointing make it an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.